Installing Zotero. Installing Zotero requires two steps. First is to install the software on your computer, and the second is to install what they call the browser connector, which is an add-on or a plugin for your browser so that Zotero and the browser can communicate. In this video, we're just going to do the first step. So the first thing that I do is I'm going to go to zotero.org/download. That's zotero.org/download. And I'm going to download the installation file and save it. Now, depending on your operating system and on your browser, this process is going to vary just a tiny bit, but essentially you download the installation file and you click it so that it starts extracting and installing. And I'm doing this live so you get a sense of how long it takes. Click Next. Click Standard Installation. You can leave the path at its default, and it's starting to install Zotero. And there we are. Within about a minute, Zotero is installed and ready to go. Part 1 is done.